In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recently viewed items on eBay. If you want to see up your browsing history on eBay and remove the list of items you've looked at recently, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open eBay in your web browser and make sure you're on the main site. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the page for the My eBay menu. Instead of clicking it right away, place your mouse pointer over My eBay and hover there for a moment. This should open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account activity and shopping history. Hovering is important here because it reveals the shortcuts you need without taking you to a different page first. If the menu doesn't appear immediately, just keep your cursor steady over My eBay for a second. When the drop-down menu appears, find the option labeled Recently Viewed and click on it. This will take you to the section where eBay stores the items you've looked at recently while browsing the site. This page is useful if you want to revisit something later, but if you'd rather clear that list for privacy or just to keep things organized, you can do that in the next step. Once you're on the recently viewed page, look for the Clear All option. It should be visible near your recently viewed items list. Click on Clear All to remove everything from that section. After you click it, your recently viewed items should be cleared from the list. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh. In some cases, reloading the page can help confirm that the list has been removed. That's all it takes. Hover over My eBay, click Recently Viewed, and then click Clear All. It's a simple way to manage your browsing activity and keep your eBay account looking cleaner and more private. If you're following along on a different device or browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the same general steps usually apply. Just look for My eBay, open the Recently Viewed section, and use the Clear All option, and that's how to clear recently viewed items on eBay.